Hey cuties! Today I'm going to show you how you can easily draw and color a nun. We'll start with the headwear and hair. It's best to watch me briefly first, then pause the video and copy everything onto your paper. When you're done you can continue with the video. Now we draw the hair on the forehead which falls to the left side of the face. Then we draw the hair on the right side of the face. Now that the hair is finished, we will draw the shape of the face. First we will draw the cheeks. One cheek on the right, and one on the left. Then we make a curve down at the gap. That's the nun's chin. Well done cuties! Let's continue with the nun's nose. So draw a small nose in the middle of the head. Above the nose draw two eyes of equal size. One eye on the left and one on the right. Then draw a small circle inside each eye. Now we draw a smiling mouth under the nose. And then we draw a tongue inside this mouth. We forgot the eyelashes on the eyes. So let's quickly fix that now. Next we move on to the ears. First we draw the left ear, and then the right ear. After that we draw a small collar directly below the nun's head instead of a neck. Then we paint the large white veil. We draw a large cross in the middle of the veil. It looks quite pretty, doesn't it? Now we just need to finish our nun's headdress. That is very easy. You have only to follow my instructions. And finally we draw a few scattered wrinkles in the nun's headdress. Great, I think it looks very nice. Now that the head is finished we can draw the rest of the nun's clothing. Let's start with the arms. Right under the veil we draw one arm on the left, and one on the right. Make sure that both arms are roughly the same length and width. Next we draw the hands. First we draw the thumb, then the rest of the hand. After that we immediately draw the individual fingers. Here too you should make sure that both hands are roughly the same size. Now that the arms and hands have been fully painted, we can draw the rest of the clothing. By the way, the dress of a nun is called a habit. Did you know that? Finally, we also draw a few folds into the habit. Then our drawing is already finished and we can start coloring it. The part of the video where I color is much faster. But I'll tell you which colors I use for coloring. I painted the eyes in black and the skin of the nun in flesh color. The cross on the white veil was painted in a dark yellow, and the hair as well as the nun's tongue in a bright red. For the inside of the mouth I used a dark brown. And for the head covering and the entire habit a dark gray was used. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.